Let me show you something real quick that you probably won't do on your piece. When I mass produce these, I put a flush trim bit in my tabletop router, and I've made this jig where I've cut out one of the side pieces and handles, and it fits in there nice and tight. Now you can see where I've already drawn the pattern on there and pre-drilled my hole, where I would normally just take a jigsaw maybe and cut this out. Since I'm producing hundreds of these at times, I don't have time to do it that way. So I made this jig, and that side piece just sits right in there nice and snug. And then I'm going to turn my router on, and I'm going to put it down over top of this, cut that out, punch that piece out, then trim and clean it up. And it works out really well, and it goes very fast.